Kikundi cha Dagoretti North nikiwa nawaomba Vulala Group wajiandae. Vulala Group naomba mjiandae. Dagoretti North, mwakilishi tafadhali. Are you here? Aya. Nafasi ni yenu. Kama mjawa tayari, then I'll be inviting Vulala Group waweze kutoa pole zao. Nafasi ni yenu hii, Vulala Group. Na niombe kwamba ndugu yetu Vincent Akuka, Chairman Kenya Secondary Schools Heads Association, aweze kujiandaa tafadhali. Hiki ni kikundi cha Vulala. Vulala, karibuni sana. Mmoja wenu aweze kutoa pole. Wengine naomba mje msimame karibu na baba huyu.
As Vulala Group comes, I'd like to say the presiding priest of the church that is going through the service today, all the honorable MPs that are here, fellow mourners, hamjambo, hamjambo tena. We are here as Vulala Group. This is the family that Honorable Elachi belongs, and we are here to mourn with her. My name is George Murila. I'm the grandfather to the departed young man. Like I said yesterday, we had invested heavily in our dreams for Elvis. But we planned, but God has made his decision. We have accepted the decision. We have let him go. And we have said, let God pick his flower. But we're just asking for mercies that we may survive through the storms that we're going through. With me is the Vulala Group, and we're going to sing a Luya song for our departed young man. It is called Ohahenda Moyo Mushive, which says, do not worry even if the billows are rolling and the storms are raging, because God is there. I'm not necessarily the choir master, because if I do that, I'll strike the wrong keys. I'll ask now the correct person to come and lead us through this hymn.
And Moyo, as we've been told, don't worry, even the storms and whatever comes, the Lord is with us. Ohahenda moyo mosheve, Nyasaye ala horenda, wirese moboyanze wewe, Nyasaye ala horenda, nye ala horenda, mosheheri shaenzera, ala horenda hosi, Nyasaye ala horenda, hakarime yenze mitinyo, Nyasaye ala horenda, lwa ubere lwangwa mumbimbi, Nyasaye ala horenda, nye ala horenda, mosheheri shaenzera, ala horenda hosi, Nyasaye ala horenda, mobotaha ala hoha, Nyasaye ala horenda, omusovere urikora, Nyasaye ala horenda, nye ala horenda, mosheheri shaenzera, ala horenda hosi, Nyasaye ala horenda, la uvereranga onyene, Nyasaye ala horenda, ala horerera merembe, Nyasaye ala horenda, nye ala horenda, Mosheheri sha enzera, ala horenda, Nyasaye ala horenda. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vulala Group.
No matter what you're going through,